Morning traders, looking here at MES, you're currently down 5 points, which is really not a big move at all. So that will put your SPX hanging right around 65.80. Today at 9:45, 15 minutes after the market opens, you're going to get the flash manufacturing PMI and flash service PMI, which could have a big effect on the market. So might want to hold off making a trade till quarter after. But what I'm looking at right here, right now, is going down about 100 points from where we're currently at 64.80. Let's just look at the 64.75 and 64.60. It's currently priced in at $1.40. But again, wait to 9:45 before you make the trade. Either way, good luck to you.